Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. On this home, there is a huge hill that water travels and has been going under this deck right up into the crawl space, down below. So the homeowner was going to replace the deck and said, okay, we need to go ahead and fix this water issue at the same time. So what we're doing is we're going to go ahead and put an open French drain right underneath of this deck. Kind of hard to dig with the framing, but you can do this. We've got a nice trench going. We're down about probably 18 inches. There was a downspout that also poured out and went straight under the crawl space. I mean, it was horrible. We're going to hook that up to our system as well. The open French drain is the perfect application for this crawl space. There's no room in the crawl space to work at all. And take a look at this. You'll notice here is the window well. I don't know why there's a window in there because there's only like 8 inches of room. But you can see that's the bottom of the window well is the level of the crawl space. That's the inside floor. Our trench is below that. And we are able to collect that water and discharge it properly out and around the side of the house. We had to lay out plywood, lift that shovel up, put it into the wheelbarrow. It was quite an undertaking to do all this. It really is something that you, the homeowner, could do yourself and truly save $10,000, $15,000. I mean, it's very costly to have this done by a company. Digging this close to the foundation, you can see there's bricks. There's all kinds of leftover materials from when the home was originally built. But you can see we've got it installed. This is an open French drain. It drains around the side of the house all the way out to the street. What a great project for the do-it-yourselfer. In fact, the homeowner was so happy with this job. We totally solved that water problem in this crawl space. You know what? This was 10 years ago, and it still works exactly the same today as it did day one.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.